and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a really exciting video because I'm going to be showing you some hair extensions. Yes, if you saw my previous video where I actually did my own taping extensions, I can leave it here. I've actually taken them out now. I'm giving my hair a bit of a rest, and I thought it would be nice to try some clip-ins, and I was very gladly gifted some clip-ins to try. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jane. I like to do hauls, fashion, reviews and lifestyle, that sort of videos. So go and check out my other videos. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Right, let's get into this video. So I was kindly contacted by Henry from VIVIEN Beauty and he offered to collab with me and to give me some hair extensions, which obviously I was so excited about because I absolutely love hair extensions. Now obviously I'm giving my hair a bit of a break at the minute from the tape-ins. I've been wearing extensions now for probably about well over 10 years. I think it's probably going to be more than that if I actually add it up. And I thought, you know what, I might even try some clip-ins, which is what I used to do right at the beginning of my sort of hair extension journey. So yeah, VIVIEN Beauty obviously contacted me and I've got a lovely box of clip-ins here. Now I'll leave all the info in the description for their website and everything, but you can get 20% off at the moment with the code JANE20. I'll leave it on the screen as well as in the description below. But just a little bit about VIVIEN Beauty just before we have a look and unbox these extensions and try them out. They're obviously 100% Remy. Now if you are buying extensions, you'll know that Remy means that they're very pure and they're the best quality hair extensions you can get. They haven't really been excessively treated, so you're going to get a long life out of your hair extension. They have lots of shades on the website. They do like ombres and stuff as well as just solid colours like my own, and they come at really good affordable prices. It's 100% real hair, so you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do a number of things with it which you can't do with sort of synthetic kind of hair, which is really quite cheap hair, and it looks very natural when it's actually in your head, if you know what I mean. And it looks very natural once you've got it in. It's always super glossy. Obviously you're not going to be sleeping in it and sweating in it, so it actually lasts a lot longer than you would if you had permanent extensions. And the joy is you can take it out and put them back in, and it's not going to sort of snag at your hair or cause any sort of distress at all. And they're quite easy to just pop in and out as and when you want to wear them. So let's have a look at what's in the box. So I picked the colour which is darkest brown. Now my colour is a little bit of an oddball colour. It kind of looks black here in the viewfinder. It is quite a dark brown, but it is actually brown. And I chose the 18-inch Remy, 100% Remy clip-in extensions. I think I get 7 pieces in this one. You can get a pack that is less than that. I think maybe 4 or 5 pieces. I've got quite fine hair as well, so I did get a nice pack of hair there. They also sent me these lovely little reindeer clips as well, which I thought was super cute. So we're going to pop them in a little bit later. I'm going to be probably wearing these at work next week just to be a bit more festive. So just a little bit about what's on the back of the box. You've got the lovely sort of do's and don'ts about how you should look after the hair itself. You know, don't wear it in bed. Obviously take it out when you do wash it. Make sure that you use like a hydrating kind of shampoo. Obviously don't swim in it. Use chlorinated water and stuff because it could fade the colour. And don't colour your own extensions. So you obviously can wash the hair, you can brush the hair, you can apply conditioner to the hair, you can curl it, you can use heat, you can use straighteners, you can use tongs. And yeah, but always apply heat protection as if it was your own hair. So there's a nice little guide on the back there of what to do and don't. It obviously has comes in this sort of cute little box, and obviously your extensions are nicely neatly packaged in the little bag here that's going to keep them clean and dust free as well. So when you pop it out of the packet, you get them in this sort of like hair net, and this is just to keep the little strands together. Usually when you buy hair like this, and I've bought hundreds of hair extensions, they always come in this little net cap, and it's just basically to keep the hair in a nice curl so that it's not going to get tangled. So I'm just going to sort of take this off. Right, so once we get the hair out, you can see the colour's not perfect, but it will be absolutely fine for my hair. Maybe I should have got black, but you can see it's probably a couple of shades, maybe 1 shade lighter than my hair, but it's going to look fine because it's going to be intermingled with my current hair. Now this is my current hair at the moment. It's very fine. I'm due to go to the hairdresser in January, so just to get some of the ends cut because I've not had my hair cut for a while, and I'm going to be looking at getting my hair, probably I'd prefer it more of this sort of shade, to be honest, so they're probably going to match. This hair would be ideal colour for me, so they're going to match these perfectly. Now, as I say, I got 18 inches. Let me just move back a little bit. So obviously if you're going to be putting it there, it is still very long, and normally I would have got 20, but to be honest, 20 is probably too long for me. But obviously if you think about it, when you're curling it, it is going to rise a little bit. So yeah, let's just unpack this. So you get it in a nice sort of bunch like that. Right, so like I said, you do get 7 pieces. Now usually the bigger pieces sort of sit at the back. Let me just lay it on my knee. So the first lot of pieces at the front here are the shorter pieces. They generally go down the sides and stuff like that, and you can actually sort of taper them a little bit at the front. So once you've got it in, you can sort of scissor cut it as well, just so that it frames the face a little bit more. So we've got 2 sort of side pieces, which are with the 2 clips on, so we've got 2 of those. 2 more with clips on, but they're a little bit wider. They are a little bit wider, so they are for maybe sort of down the sides, which are a little bit sort of further back. So you get 2 of those. Again, you can put as many in or as you want. You don't have to put them all in. And then obviously you get the ones with the 3 clips, and these generally go in the back of the hair. So these ones, so I've got 3 there which will fit in the back of the hair, and the hair is so silky and soft. It feels lovely. Another section for the back, which is a 3, and then the last section, which is also, oh, this one's a 4. So this one kind of goes sort of in the sort of middle of the back area. So usually use a smaller one, this sort of 3 one maybe towards the bottom at the back there, and then this one generally goes just quite across sort of the back end there. Now again, you don't have to put them all in. You can just put in whatever you think. So that one goes there. So yeah, I'm going to sort of do a bit of a demo now of putting this in, just to show you what it's like. As I say, the colouring is not perfect on my hair because I've got a bit of a, it looks black in my viewfinder, but it is actually a dark brown. But to be fair, if you do buy this dark brown, it is more of a sort of a chocolate brown than my kind of brown. If you're interested in the colour, it is more chocolatey. I don't know whether you can tell in the viewfinder there at all. It's a bit difficult to see. So I'm going to pop this in now. So like, the first thing we're going to do is sort of find out, just leave a little section at the back, and you can just guess as to where you're going to be putting it. So I just tie that first bit up. Sometimes you can back comb where you put it, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to add the 3 one to the back. So I've just undone the clips. They're really nice. It's nice that it's already sewn on for you as well. I remember back in the day where you would just literally buy it on the weft and you had to sew your own clips on, which was a bit long, but these come already stitched and they're already measured and everything, so that's good. So I'm going to sort of fasten the first clip. You just literally pop it in and click it shut like that. So I'm going to find the back of my head there. You can generally feel where you're going. I'm doing the middle one first, and then the side ones second. So you sort of pull it and position, and then pull it and just tuck it in like so. If you feel like it's not quite right, then you can also rearrange it, which is the great thing about hair extensions. So that's that first piece in. So can you see? Let me just push you back a little bit more. Let me just move back a bit so you can see how long this is. There's sort of my, actually that isn't my hair. My hair's in there somewhere, but once it gets in, it's like lovely. Do you know what I mean? So I'm going to let the next piece of hair down, and you're basically just layering it in the back of your head. So I'm going to go for the bigger one next. I probably won't fit all of them in, to be honest, because that's the 4 and then that's the 3. Maybe, yeah, I'll try and fit the 3 one at the top. So I'm going to go for the bigger one this time. So again, sort of measure just slightly to the right on this one when you put the clips in.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen,
Starting to thicken up quite a bit now. So next one down. So you try and leave a little bit on the top because you don't want to see the clips as well. The good thing about these is they've got brown clips. So I think if you get the blonde ones, I think the clips are blonde. So you aren't really going to see them in the through your hair, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to maybe put one more in, maybe put this back one in. And then I'm probably not gonna put too many in the sides because, like I said, I've got really fine hair, and I think the more I don't think I need as many as I've got here. So I'll put this one in, which is probably going to be the highest part. Like so. And then let's just let the whole thing down. Oh, that's a bit stuck there. Oh, I love it. I love it. So if you feel like you've not caught it properly like I feel here, I'm just going to reposition this one because I feel like it's not in the right place. Right, I'm going to put one here, not too, obviously with enough hair to cover the clips, or I'm going to pin that to the side. Alexa's making noises. And we're going to go for the small one here. Like so, and then let that down. And then on this side, because I wear my hair parted today, I don't always wear it like that. I sometimes wear it in the middle. Obviously if I've got thicker hair, I sometimes wear it in the middle, but and I'm going to put one, I'm going to put this one actually. I'm probably going to leave those two out because I've probably got enough in my head already. So I'm going to put this one on this side towards the front here. Again, I can always reposition it if need be. Like so. And then just put that back. Right, so there we have it. What I like to do is, normally I would sort of cut these front ones and just taper them in a little bit, so that if you wanted to wear your hair straight, you could sort of just feather it in a little bit with the scissors. So I might actually do that, so it's just not like, it's not just completely straight. And I'm gonna put some curls in it, why not? And you can see how long it is. So actually I got, let me just tilt you, I got like, these are 18 inches. I mean, they're huge, they're so long. To be honest, I probably could have got away with 16, but I do like the fact that they're so long, they look really nice. But obviously I'm going to curl it, so it's going to lift up a little bit. So I'm going to come back to you in a sec. I'm going to put some curls in it and I'll be back to you shortly. Right guys, so I'm back and I've just put a couple of loose curls in there just to sort of blend it in nicely with my hair. Now my hair isn't the perfect match to this, mine kind of looks a little bit blacker, even though it is very dark brown. So this is more of a chocolate brown, I think I mentioned earlier in the video. But obviously this is how it looks once it's curled, and I absolutely love it. It was dead easy to put in. It curls, I find that extensions are really easy to curl as well. They curl really easily. Now you could actually curl it out of your hair if you wanted to. I sometimes fasten them on one of those sort of coat hangers with the little clips, and I can sometimes just curl it off my head if that's easier, if you feel like you pull, because sometimes obviously with it being attached to your head already, you don't want it to sort of pull at your hair, so you can actually curl it first, curl your own hair and then pop it in and just blend it through. That's another way to do it as well. But yeah, absolutely love the hair. I feel like I've got hair again, which is amazing, because like I said, I've been without my extensions now for quite a few weeks, and I'm kind of missing them a little bit, but it's just lovely to have all this hair back. So yeah, so don't forget to check out the website, which I will list below. Don't forget the 20% discount, which is Jane20. I'll leave it again on the screen in case you missed it the first time. And that's everything for the video. Oh, but just before we go, I'm going to try out the little clips that they sent me as well. These are so adorable. So I'm going to give these little clips a go. like so. And this side. There we have it. So yeah, I decided to try these out before we go. So that's everything for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.